The Supreme Court took an unprecedented decision yesterday, putting the implementation of farm laws on hold. A new 4-member expert panel will hear both sides now. Farmers, however, have called the committee as biased and they've refused to call off the protest.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye.
The 3 contentious farm laws intended to open up the markets for farmers is on hold. The Supreme Court, in a rare move, stayed the implementation of the laws that have sparked huge protests, leading to a siege on the national capital. The 3-judge bench of Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde, and Justices A.S. Bopanna and V. Ramasubramanian has further set up a 4-member committee for talks. The court has named Bharatiya Kisan Union President Bhupinder Singh Maan, agro-scientist Pramod Kumar Joshi, agro-economist Ashok Gulati, and Maharashtra-based union Shetkari Sangatana Chief Anil Ganwat as panel members. The court, in its order, has said the panel will hold talks with all stakeholders and submit a report to the court within 2 months. The ruling says minimum support price as it exists will continue and that farmers' land holdings shall be protected. Lawyers representing the farmers, Dushyant Dave, Prashant Bhushan and Colin Gonsalves, did not take part in Tuesday's hearing. The farmers say their demand remains the same, that is, repeal the 3 laws.
उनसे हमारी डिमांड ये थी कि ये कानून वापसी हो। हमारी स्टे की तो बात थी नहीं हमारे ये वापसी ले लो, एमएसपी पे कानून बना दो और सरकार ही जीत जाओ। जीत का सेहरा वो अपने सिर ही बांध दो।
वो सारे के सारे जो कमेटी के मेंबर्स हैं वो प्रो गवर्नमेंट है। सारे वो लोग हैं जो अब तक सरकार के कानूनों को सही ठहराते रहे हैं, तो ऐसी कमेटी को तो बिल्कुल ही कोई मान नहीं सकता।
During the hearing on Tuesday, the Attorney General K.K. Venugopal made 3 key submissions. He said Khalistanis have infiltrated the protests. The court has asked the government to file an affidavit saying the same. Venugopal also raised concerns over the farmers' plan to hold a tractor rally on Republic Day. The AG claimed the protests are limited and there are none in states like Karnataka and Kerala. The Supreme Court will hear the plea filed by Delhi police on January 18th.
The court has specifically asked, why is it that when the farm unions went before the government for negotiations, they are hesitating in going before a judicially appointed committee? At the same time, the court also asking the government to explain whether the allegations of anti-national sentiments infiltrating these farm protests are actually true or not. A lot remains in this entire controversy, and with the farmers currently taking a hardline stance, this deadlock does not seem to be resolving anytime soon. In New Delhi with cameraman Nasir, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.